Abaserukare batendekirwe babire barumu nshanju nabana platoon commanders higana 22 ama technicians hamwe na 217 ama crew kanda babahirwe obukugu bwo kozesa ebwanso by'omurembe aho President Museveni atabarukiza abaserukare aba ahubwo kuhezaje omushomogo.
In 6 months mastering this equipment of tanks in the 4 courses that have been mentioned here. I want to congratulate you and pass you out today. As I told your commanders, war is an old science and an old art. It's both art and science. Science in the form of the equipment used, but art in the way you organize it and then in the way you utilize the equipment. So therefore, don't charm men on tanks. Don't think that tanks alone are a solution in war.
President Museveni ashabira abaserukare abakongera amani omukuguka omundu anayo murembe na munongo kozesa teknolojiya kandi ho nashabira abaserukare aba okukumaje amagara gabo.
Those 2 words, loving yourself so that you don't die from diseases, from alcohol, from drugs, other problems, so that you remain healthy. But as he told you, loving your equipment, that was very, very precise. Because if you do not look after your equipment well, and especially if you are corrupt and you sell the lubricants, you sell the fuel, you sell the lubricants, when war comes, you will die. Because the tank will not help you.
Deputy Chief of Defense Forces, Lieutenant General Sam Okuding, Agacencwire ya UPDF, yonjira mano mu kutendeka abaserukare baryo omu matendekero gayo gona.
Your Excellency, today we have witnessed another level of firepower in our country. The precision we have just witnessed a few minutes ago speaks volumes. And it is my humble request that we maintain it. And it is our responsibility, all of us, right from the highest up to the lowest, and even build more on what we have just witnessed.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Abdukalim Sengen.